That's not a log. That's not a log.
Where'd it go?
It's an alligator.
I don't know. What do you think, Gavin?
It has eyes on it! It's an alligator! Oh, look, it really is an alligator.
It's looking at us.
Look, it's an alligator, real alligator.
Uh-oh, I think it's going to Grandpa.
Yes, it is. It's coming towards you, Curtis! Oh, no, this is bad, me.
Yeah, this is bad. What's what Grandpa's gonna do?
It's horrible. I want to see blood and guts from my...
Oh no!
It's an alligator.
You better go help Grandpa get it. You better go help Grandpa. Look! You better go help Grandpa.
Is it really an alligator? Is it really an alligator? What did it catch?
What did Grandpa catch?
Scared me! Oh, that scared me! Now you have two collections!
Yeah!
Here! Ah!
Grandpa got you good with that alligator, huh? Not fair. Why isn't it fair?
Because I want to scare him first.
You want to scare Grandpa?
It's a stinger!
I better go get the needle nose pliers.